Alrighty guys, so in this video we are going to be practicing going from mixed numbers to improper fractions and back. For these first three examples, these are all mixed numbers, so that's a whole number with a fraction included. It's the same exact procedure in all three, so I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. So we're trying to get these mixed numbers into an improper fraction, which means my numerator is going to be bigger than my denominator. So the thing that you want to go ahead and do first is that the denominator is not going to change. So in my new fraction, we can just keep that denominator the exact same. Then this is your steps. You start with that denominator you just worked so hard to rewrite, and you go this way. You multiply that and add this number, and that'll get you your numerator. So 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1 more is 21. So you just write 21 over 4. It's that simple. So over here, let's go ahead and do this again. So my denominator is not going to change, so we just write the 9. And then we're going to do 9 times 6 plus 2. And I like to draw out my arrows because it reminds me where I'm going. Okay, so we have 9 times 6 is 54. 54 times 2 more is 56. All right, let's do our very last one. Our 8 is not going to change, so we're going to keep the 8. Now we're going to multiply and add. All right. So we have 8 times 11, which is 88, plus 3 more, which is 91. So we just turned mixed numbers into improper fractions. Hi guys. Okay, so now we're going to do improper fractions to mixed numbers. We're going to switch it around. So this is an improper fraction. Now, there are several ways to do this, just so you guys know. And in your 5th grade or elementary class, you probably learned a different way. I'm going to kind of show you 2 different ways to do this. It just depends on you. So mixed, this is our improper fraction, right? And I want a mixed number. So basically I'm going to get a whole number and like another little fraction next to it. That's the goal. So just like we're going backwards, okay, the denominator is not going to change. So let's just write that down. All right, so this is how I have done this in the past. And again, I can show you the other way, which is long division, but this is how I've done it. So we have been practicing a lot with multiples, right? So I am top heavy, okay? I have 18 parts and I need to put them into groups of 5. Okay, that's how I think about it. So how many multiples of 5 can I get before I pass the number 18? So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, I'm going to stop because I passed 18. So I have to ask myself, okay, how many multiples of 5 did I fit? Well, there were 3. So that's your big number. Now, when I did this though, 3 multiples of 5 only get me to 15. How much farther do I need to get to 18? Well, I'm short 3. That's why I can't do another multiple of 5. I'm short 3 of the 5. So you can do it this way if you're comfortable with multiples, or let me show you how you can do it in long division. Okay, you're going to get the same answer. So if you did 18 divided by 5, 5 goes into 18 3 times. That's 3 multiples of 5, and you're going to get 15. And then you'll subtract, and you'll get a remainder of 3. So this 3 is actually this, and your remainder goes here. I know because they're both 3s, a little bit confusing, but makes a little bit of sense. Okay, let's do another one. What if I wanted to do 39 over 8? So again, our goal is to get like a big number here and like a fraction. We want an improper fraction to a mixed number. So my denominator is not going to change. That stays. Now, I'm going to do the multiple way. So how many multiples of 8 can I fit in before I pass the number 39? So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Oh, stop. So I already passed. So I got this far. So I could fit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 multiples of 8. But then I couldn't go all the way to 40 because I only have 39. So I am short. Oops, sorry. That shouldn't be. Sorry. So my 4 multiples of 8 got me to 32. But I am trying to get to 39. So I am short 7. So if I had one more, I could have gotten to 40. So that is an improper fraction to a mixed number.